Why is she here? That's not the plan. How does this bitch know where I am? What to do now? Can't run away. Have to adapt what I will say. I can't believe my very eyes. Is this the feeling when you die? I thought that I was safe again. Not even safe when we're a friend. No matter what you do, the world is driving up land. The cold breaks the face to be stronger than the little man. When he lets me spare the sun, I only water. Suddenly you almost feel like you're gonna burn. Have to lie and hide my shame. I can't believe she knows my name. Has she told